Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install curl on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to go into our terminal, so I will go into show apps and I will press on terminal to open it. And first of all, we need to make sure that our curl is not installed, because if it's installed, we basically don't have to do it. So I will type it curl -- version. As you can see, my curl is not installed. I have two options to install it, and we will choose one. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, both will work. And it's important to say that I'm doing it on the Ubuntu desktop. If you are doing it on Debian distribution or Kali Linux distribution, it also should work. But if you are doing it on the Fedora distribution, for example, it might not work, so you might need to find another tutorial. But it's okay, you can try it and you can see if it's working for you. And right here, of course, I will write in sudo apt install, as you can see above, and curl. And I will press enter on my keyboard and type in my password. Again, we have to wait a bit. It will not take a long time. As you can see, it is finished. We can maybe clear that to make it maybe a little bit nicer, and we'll type in again curl -- version. And as you can see, my curl is installed. There is a number. I have installed curl 8.5.0. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.